Okay, I can't hear Aditya now. But yes, Aditya, you have spoken for almost a minute. So as you can see, we use second forms of verbs and both these people used correct forms. है ना, कल मैं उठा, फिर मैंने brush किया, मैंने breakfast किया. So we use second forms of the verbs, like I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast, I studied, I watched TV, I took lunch. That's how we speak. So remember that. Don't make the mistake of using first forms of verbs for the past. Let's move on and let me give you another topic. So here is the next topic, guys. Please take a look. It says, how will you spend your Sunday? Now we are talking about future. First we talked about every day, then we talked about past. Now we're talking about future. And the topic is, how will you spend your Sunday? So now you're talking about future. So use the future tense. So let me ask Lucky. Lucky, how will you spend your Sunday?
Yes, ma'am. I will get up early in the morning
Mm-hmm.
at 6 a.m.
Okay.
And after that, I will take my breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, after that, I will take my online classes.
On Sunday?
Ma'am, no. After that, I will play with my brother.
Mm-hmm.
8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I will talk to my father
Mm-hmm.
at 9 a.m. And after that, I will watch the TV
Okay.
at 10 a.m. And ma'am, after that, I will go to park
Mm-hmm.
at 10 a.m.
Okay.
And ma'am, after that, I will eat lunch
Mm-hmm.
with my family.
Okay.
At 12 p.m.
All right.
And after that, ma'am, I will take a bath.
Okay.
At 12:30 p.m.
All right.
And after that, ma'am, I will drink milk.
Mm-hmm.
At 1 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, again, I will play with my brother.
All right.
At 3 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, ma'am, I will check my phone.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, Lucky. Great job, Lucky. Please clap for Lucky, everyone. Wherever you are, could you please clap for him? Because Lucky used the future tense. He's telling me about next Sunday, and he used will with all his sentences. So that's how you speak about future, like Lucky just told us. But Lucky, you don't need to use ma'am after all the sentences. After that, ma'am, after that, ma'am. Please avoid using that. You use the tenses correct though. So well done, Lucky. Now moving on to the next topic. Please take a look at it here. So here's the topic. It says, how do you celebrate your birthday every year? Again, we are not talking about past in this. We're talking about a routine action. We're talking about something that happens every year. So I would like you to tell me how you celebrate your birthday every year. So let me go to Kirti and let me ask her to speak on this topic.
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute.
Hi, Kirti.
Yes.
Device disconnected.
Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm so fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. So let's talk about how you celebrate your birthday every year.
Actually, if I'm talking about how to celebrate my birthday in every year. So I'm not celebrating my birthday in very excited way or.
Okay, please stop. Please stop. You don't need to say I am not celebrating.
I don't.
Of course, you will say I don't celebrate my birthday in a very exciting way.
Okay, it's okay. I don't celebrate. Sorry, I don't celebrate my birthday in a very excited way. So generally, I completed my schedule. It happened in every birthday. So
okay, stop, Kirti. Again, sorry. Why are you using a past tense? Why are you saying I completed? Why are you saying it happened?
Okay, I complete.
Of course, it happens every year. I complete. So you have made this mistake. So we'll pass this topic to someone else now, Kirti.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry.
So yeah, please listen. Please listen to the other person.
Yeah,
Let me-
definitely. I will write something on you
Good.
on this topic.
Yes. Okay, let's go to Kajal now. Kajal, how do you celebrate your birthday every year?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kajal. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm great too, Kajal. So please tell us how you celebrate your birthday every year. And 1 minute you have to speak correct English.
Yes. I celebrate my birthday very.
Mhm.
I wake up early in the morning on my birthday, and firstly I go to my front of my mom,
Mhm.
and I hug to mom, and after that I take bath, and after that I go to temple, and after that I go to friends home, and after that I go to market with friends, and after that I invite to all my friends, and after that I in evening I cut the cake, and I enjoy a lot, and after
Thank you
that
so much,
I
Kajal.
dance with.
Thank you. Thank you. Please clap for Kajal, everyone. Well done, Kajal. So yes, that's how
Thank
you
you.
speak. Thank you, Kajal. So Kajal did not make any mistake in using tenses. She used the first forms of the verbs. We use first forms of the verbs to talk about things we regularly do, things we do in a routine. Like she said, how she celebrates her birthday every year. Kajal, but there's one sentence. I hug my mom. किसी को भी hug करना है तो to नहीं लगाना है, to नहीं बोलना है. You will not say I hug to my mom. You will say I hug my mom. We hug each other. They hugged each other. So to is not required there. So please keep that in mind. All right. So well done, Kajal. Now let's move on and let's talk about the next topic. Here it is. Please take a look at it. It says, how did you celebrate your last birthday? So now we are talking about only about your last birthday. So we're talking about past, as you know. Please use past tense and tell me how you celebrated your last birthday. I'll go to Laiju. Good evening, Laiju. Could you unmute yourself? Hi, Laiju. Oh, I can't connect with Laiju. So let me go to Rishabh in that case. Hi, Rishabh. Is there a problem why people can't unmute themselves? Hi,
Hi,
Rishabh.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Let's talk about how you celebrated your last birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I last I celebrated my last birthday
Mm-hmm.
on 26 September.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And I go to Mathura Vrindavan with my family. I
I'm
went
sorry.
to Mathura. I went to Mathura
Mm-hmm.
Vrindavan with my family
Okay.
for celebrating my birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And then after come to I will name it.
Okay, you need time to think about it, Rishabh. Please think about it. But remember, you use second forms of verbs. No will is required to talk about past.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll go to someone else. Let me go to Laiju. Laiju, is it possible for you to unmute yourself? Please unmute yourself. Oh, I'm not sure how to help Laiju. Can you unmute yourself, Laiju? I'm not sure. Let's go to Priyanka. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
चलो
I'm good. How are you, Priyanka?
I'm good, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to mute everyone. Now, Priyanka, please unmute yourself. And please tell me when is your birthday and how you celebrated your last birthday.
My birthday on 13th September.
Okay.
On my last birthday, my birthday celebration is started at 12 a.m.
Mhm,
At the 12, my family was give me a what my family gave me a birthday surprise,
mhm,
and my two friends my two friends came to my home for giving me a surprise.
mhm.
I cutted the cake, and
Okay, please stop, Priyanka.
yes, ma'am.
Let me tell you that the word cutted doesn't exist in English.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So cut, the second form's cut, and the third form's also cut. Okay. All right.
cut-
Thank you for trying. But now that you have made a mistake, we'll pass on this topic to someone else. Let's go to Ravin. Ravin, please tell us how you celebrated your last birthday.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening,
First of all.
Ravin.
And ma'am, I woke up 8 o'clock, maybe 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock, I think so.
Mhm,
And so, first of all, I picked my phone and I replied to lots of friends. And after then, I had planned that time.
Okay, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Ravin. Ravin, in English, we don't have an expression such as after then.
After then.
After then nahi hota hai. That's not correct. You can either say after that
After that.
or say then. मतलब आप बोलेंगे I woke up, after that I checked my phone, या फिर I woke up, then I checked my phone. But
After that, then.
after
Okay.
then नहीं होता. But now that you have made a mistake, Ravin, I have to pass this topic on to someone. Please prepare again and raise your hand. So now I'll go to Aditya. Aditya, how did you celebrate your last birthday?
Okay, I celebrated my last birthday.
Mhm,
My birthday is on 24 October. Then I woke at I don't remember when I woke. I woke very not much late, but I woke late,
mhm,
and then after that, my family members my family members wished me happy birthday.
mhm.
I I I brushed my teeth and then I took a bath, and after that I took my breakfast, and then all my friends wished me happy birthday, and all in previous year we were not having school, so my all friends gave me birthday wishes on WhatsApp only, and after that at in the afternoon uh, I took my lunch, and at the evening time I I got I got I cut the cake, and we were having very small party. All my family members were there only.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. Please clap for a sorry, thank you, Aditya. Please clap for Aditya because he spoke correct for a minute. Wherever you are, please spend some energy in clapping. Because otherwise, you might feel sleepy as well. So please clap. Okay. But there's one thing I want to tell Aditya. पिछले साल हमारा स्कूल नहीं था. को we were not having school नहीं बोलेंगे. You will say we didn't have school. All right, Aditya. You will say we didn't have school last year. ना कि we were not having school last year. Similarly, आप ये नहीं बोलेंगे we were having lunch. We had a lunch. हम लोगों ने lunch किया मतलब we had a lunch or we had lunch together. So that's what you will say, Aditya. Please keep that in mind. So now that Aditya has already spoken about how he celebrated your last birthday and he spoke correct on this topic, I want everybody to think about these topics. How will you speak? Now, here is another topic. It says, tell us about your last journey. Oh, sorry. Why did I move so? Fast. So here is the next topic. It says, how will you celebrate your next birthday? So I'm giving you this opportunity to plan your next birthday. I'm sure so many of you have your birthdays coming up. Please tell me how you will celebrate your next birthday. Again, we are talking about future. So please use the future tense and tell me about your next birthday. Hi, Laju. Are you able to unmute? I'm not sure why is it happening with Laju. Laju, could you write something if you can't unmute or if you have a problem? Could you please tell me something? Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not able to connect with Laju. So I'll go to Kajal. Hi, Kajal. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
Great. I'm good too. When's your birthday?
Okay, ma'am. My birthday is 3rd June.
That's great. So let's plan your next birthday. How are you going to celebrate your next birthday?
Yes, ma'am. I have a plan. Actually, my one flat is क्या बोलते हैं मैम मिलने वाला है तो इसको कैसे बोलेंगे मैम?
I'm going to get possession of my new flat.
Okay. I get possession my new flat, so I
मिलने
will.
वाला है, मिलने वाला, मिला नहीं अभी, तो आप बोलेंगे I am going to get possession of my new flat.
Okay, I'm going to get possession of my new flat, so I will plan in my next birthday my new flat. So
I'm planning, plan तो आप अभी कर रहे हैं ना, अभी आप सोच रहे हैं,
Yes,
तो I'm planning to celebrate my next birthday in
Yes.
my new flat.
I'm planning to my next birthday in my new flat. So my all family members I will invite, and my friends and colleagues and neighbors. So I will क्या बोल रहे हैं? I will invite. It's my plan. So then I will celebrate in my family members. So first of all, I will woke up early in the morning and I will.
Okay,
go
let's
to
stop. Let's stop.
Yes, ma'am.
We can't say I will woke up. Woke is second form.
Wake up, ma'am. I think so. Wake up बोला था.
Of course, wake up बोलना था, लेकिन आपने बोला I will woke up.
अच्छा, okay.
So now that you have made a mistake, so we'll pass this topic on to someone. But write this sentence somewhere. I'm going to get possession of my new flat and I'm planning to celebrate my next birthday there. Okay, that's what you should say. And right now I'll go to Alia. Alia, how are you going to celebrate your next birthday and when's your birthday, by the way?
On 13th January,
Okay.
and I think my family will plan something good for me, and they will give me surprise,
Mhm.
and they will wish me and bring cake for me, and they will give me gift,
Mhm.
and I will be going. I will be going to Goa because I have worked there, so I will celebrate my half birthday on train. My
Mhm.
friend will also bring cake, and I think I'll cut cake in train, and I'll have fun with my friends on the in journey.
Mhm.
And when I when I reach there,
Possession of my new flat.
and when I reach there, I I I will I will take them to a good restaurant,
Mhm.
and we'll have a good dinner, and that's it.
That's all? All
Yeah.
right. That's nice, Alia, but you didn't speak for a minute. But can everybody please clap for Alia because she spoke very well. But since she didn't complete a minute, we're still passing on this topic to someone else in the class. So I would like, yeah, good. Thank you for cheering, Alia. So now, Lucky, please tell us how you're going to celebrate your next birthday.
Ma'am, I will celebrate my next birthday.
Oh, Lucky, can you raise your hand again, please? Please raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now please go ahead, Lucky.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will celebrate my next birthday. I will get up early in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, I will check my phone, and I see many messages.
I
And
see,
ma'am,
कैसे बोल सकते हो आप?
I will see many messages,
Okay.
and after that, after that I will go to my friend house.
Okay. Okay, let's
And-
stop there, Lucky. Friend के घर जाऊंगा मतलब I will go to my friend's house.
I will go to my friend's house.
But अब तो आप गलती कर चुके हो ना. I will go to my friend's house. Friend के घर मतलब friend's house. So remember this. Don't make this mistake again ever when you speak. So I'll go to my friend's house. Okay. I'll go to my grandparents' house, etc. That's what you will say. But now that you have made a mistake, like you have to pass this topic on to someone else. Laiju, can you unmute? Great.
Okay.
Laiju, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you speak? Good evening. Good evening.
Okay.
How are you?
Good evening. I'm Laiju Thomas. Okay.
Yes, Laiju.
I'll spend my next birthday with my family.
All right.
Okay. I will plan to go abroad
Okay.
with my wife.
Mhm.
Okay. I will spend my birthday with my wife. Next birthday.
Mhm.
Okay. I will cut a cake and I will visit more places on that day.
Mhm.
Uh, I will
Okay.
spend more time with my friends and visit more places, churches,
Mhm.
and okay. Thank
Laiju,
you.
you have to speak for at least a minute. You were speaking well. So
Okay.
the thing is, you have to speak for a minute, right? But well
Oh.
tried, since it's your first day. You can think of more. Like there is no limit on what we can imagine. You can imagine, but there is some feedback for you here. You will not say I'll go to more places. I'll go to many places. Okay, not more. We use more when you are comparing. Here we are not comparing. We are just telling that, maybe I'll go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So I'll go to many places. Okay. Not more, but many. And since you couldn't speak for a minute, I would like you to think about it, and I will go to someone else in the class. Can somebody else tell me how you will celebrate your next birthday? I would like someone to volunteer and speak correct for a minute. Oh, now I can't mute people now. All right. Yeah, I think I can do it. Guys, can somebody tell me about their next birthday? Can you speak correct for a minute? Nobody? What are you guys doing here then? Then I will need to, oh, I have one volunteer now. Yes, Kajal, please tell me how you will celebrate your next birthday.
Yes, ma'am. So I will, my next birthday is 3rd June, so I will wake up early in the morning.
Okay.
Then after that, I will go to the temple with my husband and my kids.
Okay.
And after that, I return my home and breakfast together. Breakfast together with my family.
Sorry.
I return my home. Then after that, I
Why
will.
are you saying I return? I return का मतलब मैं वापस आती हूँ. आपको बोलना वापस आऊंगी.
I will return.
Okay.
I will back. I will back.
I will be back.
I will be back. Then after that, I will take breakfast with my family.
Okay.
Then after that, it's evening time. So then it's a cut cake with my family.
Sorry.
I will cut the cake with my family members.
Okay.
And that's it, ma'am.
All right. Almost a minute. Well done.
I will receive in my family members as gifts and surprises.
Good.
Then ma'am usko kholenge. I will open up in my all gifts.
I will open my gifts. Yes.
And open my gifts. When I will like a gift given my husband, then I feel good. Then I will fight with my husband definitely.
Oh, like when I open my husband's gift, I will have a fight with him.
अगर अच्छा लगा तो कुछ नहीं, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा तो फिर नेक्स्ट के लिए बोलूंगी.
Wow, what a detailed plan you have. Great. Thank you so much. Please clap for Kajal, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Kajal made a few mistakes, but I let Kajal speak because I had no other volunteers. So well done, Kajal. Yeah, please keep participating.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. So yes, you come here so that you can make mistakes. Like nobody is judging you here. If you make mistakes, it's absolutely okay. So well done. Yeah, but I like Kajal's plan. Now let's move on and let's talk about the next topic. So here is the topic. Please take a look at it. It says, tell us about your last journey. I would like you to tell me about your last journey in 1 minute. You have to speak for 1 minute. And since you're talking about the last journey, you know that you will use the past tense. So let's speak on this topic. Please raise your hands if you would like to tell me about your last journey. And for everybody in the class, please participate. अगर आप गलत भी बोल देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, केवल ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप गलत ही बोलेंगे और मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि मैं किसी और को ये टॉपिक पास कर रही हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट आप ट्राई करेंगे तो आप अपने दिमाग में इंग्लिश में तो सोचेंगे ना, एंड जब आप इंग्लिश में सोचेंगे तो आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव होगी. मेरे इंग्लिश बोलने से आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव नहीं होगी, मेरी तो हो रही है बिकॉज आई स्पीक सो मच इन इंग्लिश एवरी डे. सो प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस क्लास इफ यू आर हियर. डोंट थिंक कि मैं गलती करूंगा, ऑफ कोर्स आप गलती करोगे बिकॉज आप लर्न करने आए हो. आपको अगर आप ऑलरेडी प्रोफिशिएंट होते इंग्लिश में तो आप यहाँ पर नहीं आ रहे होते. तो प्लीज मेक मिस्टेक्स, प्लीज स्पीक, एंड इट्स ओके इफ यू मेक अ मिस्टेक. एटलीस्ट यू विल लर्न वन करेक्ट सेंटेंस. अगर आपने एक गलती किया तो आप कम से कम एक करेक्ट सेंटेंस सीखेंगे, which will be helpful for you, and you have this opportunity to speak here. So please use it. So let's talk about this topic, which is tell us about your last journey. हम सब लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं, हमने कहीं ना कहीं तो ट्रैवल किया ही होगा. कहीं भी नहीं गए होंगे तो अपने घर से ऑफिस या घर से स्कूल तो गए होंगे. You can tell me about that. The first, I'll talk to Priyanka. Priyanka, let's talk about your last journey.
My last journey was Agra. I went to Agra in September.
Okay.
I went with my husband and my sisters. We were having lots of fun. We went to the Taj Mahal. That was very beautiful. And after Taj Mahal, we went to the Agra Fort. It is also beautiful. We were seeing.
Okay, let's stop there, Priyanka. Okay. So here's some feedback for you. We were having a lot of fun. नहीं बोलेंगे. It's okay to make mistakes. That's why we are here. But purpose क्या है आपको बताने का कि आप गलतियां कर रहे हैं, to make you realize कि हाँ यहाँ पर अभी improvement है. Sorry, scope है improvement का. Okay. So we were having a lot of fun नहीं होता है, हमने बहुत मजे किए, मतलब we had a lot of fun. Okay. So this is what you will speak anyway. किसी भी बारे में आपको बोलना है कि हमने बहुत मजे किए, मतलब we had a lot of fun, ना कि we were having a lot of fun. और we were see नहीं होता, क्या होता है? We saw this thing, we saw that thing, we saw Taj Mahal, etc. So that's what you will say. So Priyanka, please prepare again, and I'll allow you to speak again. You can raise your hand. And right now I'll go to, thank you for speaking. I really like your enthusiasm. Let's go to Edmund. Hi, Edmund. Could you please correct your name there?
Rekha.
Yeah, hi, Rekha. Let's talk about your last journey.
My last journey was Manali. We
Okay.
had a lot of my last journey was Manali. I went to my husband. We had a lot of fun,
Mhm.
and we saw snowfall, and we मैम किया था को क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश
We
में?
did.
हाँ, we did rafting, and we did rafting, we did paragliding,
Mhm.
and we had
Mhm.
more
Many.
enjoy. नहीं, हाँ, we had many
Fun activities.
fun activities, and we saw many beautiful places.
Okay.
Yeah, and we did more enjoy.
We enjoyed a lot.
enjoyed a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you tried well, but you needed to speak more. You needed more content. You know how you can speak is, you can maybe, for example, you had a 3-day trip, so you can think like, okay, we left Delhi on this date, and then we left in the
Okay.
evening. Next day we reached there, and next day we did all these activities, and then the next day we did this, and the next day we did this. So that way you will have more content to speak. Okay, so please think about it again. And right now I'm passing the topic to Alia. Let's go to Alia. Yes, Alia. So how did you, where did you travel? Tell us about it.
To Udaipur. My last journey was Udaipur as I got an event there, so we were working there. But after completing
What do you do, Alia?
I work in hospitality
Oh, that's why
in
you have to
event
travel a lot.
management. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So
Sure, tell us
uh,
about it.
we had worked there,
Mhm.
and after completing our event, so we went to many historical places and the city palace and the Uday villas. We saw many places there. And as I know much about Rajasthan and it is my native place, so
Oh.
I took them all to my Haveli and my place. So we had a good Rajasthani lunch there,
Mhm.
and we bought Rajasthani attires and we wore them and we clicked pictures. Then we went to many other places and we had Rajasthani kachoris we and after that we came back.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Please clap for Alia, everybody. Well done, Alia. So it's nice that you get to travel a lot since you're in event management. And Alia did not make any mistakes. She used the past tense very well. But Alia, you need to give me more content every time you speak, because it was like at least 1 minute speaking activity. So that's what you need to work on, Alia. Great job. So guys, that's what you need to keep in mind. Agar aap past ki baat kare, you will use past tenses, second forms of the verbs. Think about this topic and prepare your own topic. Now, here is the next topic. So it says, what activities do tourists do at hill stations? So all of us go to hill stations. All of us have been to some hill stations. You have to tell me, what are some of the things that people do when they go to hill stations? As you can see, this is not about past. We're just asking some general information कि अगर लोग hill stations पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? What do they do at hill stations? That's the topic. Think about it. You have to speak for 1 minute. And since it is about, it requires general information, you will use first forms of verbs. I think मैंने नीचे कुछ गलत लिखा हुआ है. क्या लिखा है मैंने? हाँ, first forms of verbs. ठीक है. You will use first forms of verbs to tell me what people generally do at hill stations, and you must speak for 1 minute. So please think about it and raise your hands. Right now, Aditya wants to participate, so I'll go to Aditya. Hi, Aditya. Have you ever been to a hill station?
His mom.
Okay.
And the question is, what activities do tourists do at hill station? Okay. So at hill station, tourists do rafting. At hills, tourists can also do paragliding. And they can also have the Barma Bridge activity.
Okay.
And they can also have mountain climbing.
Okay.
And they can also do boating. They can also do swimming in the lakes. There are very much tourist places where swimming is also there, with all the safety measures. and they can also do they can also do the skydiving.
Okay. And Aditya, may I ask you what you do when you go to a hill station? Could you tell me what you do when you go to a hill station? Can you hear me? Okay, since I can't hear Aditya. So, like Aditya just told us all the activities that people can do at hill stations. He gave us a list of activities. So we can do all these activities, absolutely. Could you all please clap for Aditya, because Aditya has a lot of enthusiasm and he's always eager to speak. So thank you, Aditya, for speaking on that topic. And now let's move on to the next topic. Here it is. So it says, tell us about your dream vacation. All of us go on vacation, and we want to go on vacations. You have to tell me about your dream vacation. Now, since you're talking about your dream vacation, जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, future में होगा, you're talking about future. So we'll use future tenses to talk about it. You have to think के आप कहाँ जाएंगे on your dream vacation, where you will go, what all activities you will do, how much time you will spend there, maybe who you will go there with, etc. You can tell me about everything that you will do on your dream vacation. So I'll give you a few seconds to think about it, and then I need some people to speak on this topic. Aditya says, may I? Wow, I really like the enthusiasm that Aditya has. Can I have anyone else from the class? Yeah, I will definitely allow you to speak, Aditya, but I'm thinking if I can have some other volunteers. Yeah, Amrita, Preeti, Sanjeev. Oh, how about Aman, Pavan, Ragini, Priya? Guys, could you think about this topic? It's such an interesting topic. You know, you can dream of anything. You can think of any type of vacation because imagination has no limits. So think about it and talk about it. Okay, so since Kirti wants to speak, yes, Kirti, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my dream vacation is going to Kasol. I
Kasol.
shared with you.
Okay.
Because means first of all, I want to close with the hilly area and plants and lots of means there I know about that place. There are lots of fruits and means great vegetables. So and as well as means there are 2 or 3 friends. They are living in that place. And what happened means sorry.
So what will you do when you go there?
First of all, I want to track on the I want to trekking.
I want to go trekking.
Yes, I want to go trekking. And second thing, because I like food. Sorry, I like to eat fruit as compared to means cooked food.
Okay.
What we can say, पके हुए खाने से बेहतर मैं जो fresh या crunchy foods होते हैं, vegetables होते हैं,
Okay, I prefer eating raw fruits and vegetables.
Yes, I prefer eating raw fruits and vegetables. So I know that there are lots of fruit and vegetable means good quality of fruits and vegetables. So this is the second thing. And third thing, I like the weather. Means in this means only April, May or June. This is 3 months where there people people are not wearing sweaters on that area. Yeah, I know that. And seriously, ma'am, in Delhi NCR, people know about the Manali place, but they don't have any idea about the too much idea about the Kasol and hidden beauty of Parvati Village and some another area related to touch in approximately 30 to 40 kilometer distance from the Manali. So this is also good as compared instead of Manali or Kullu. So,
All right. Thank you so much, Kirti. Please clap, everybody. Please clap for Kirti. Very nice, Kirti. You spoke well. And so here are these two words for you. Raw, matlab kacha, ripe, matlab paka hua. So, ripe matlab koi fruit jab pak jata hai, to wo ripe ho jata hai.
मैं राइप उस वे में नहीं कह रही थी, मैं राइप उस वे में कह रही थी जैसे हम क्या है कि कोई घर में
Cooked, of course, आप cooked की बात कर रहे थे.
जो बिल्कुल प्रॉपरली बना हुआ होता है, प्लेट में सर्व करो, ऐसा नहीं.
Right.
जस्ट क्रंची भी हो, ब्रांचेस हो, इट्स ओके, बट it's related to like this.
So you want to pluck the fruit and eat it fresh.
Ma'am, you can't imagine that lots of time I eat spinach without any cook or anything. Only
Okay.
yes, I like to eat like this kind of food. Seriously.
Okay. Spinach. Very nice, Kirti. So spinach बोलेंगे आप, पालक को क्या बोलेंगे आप? Spinach. पहले तो आपको spin बोलना है.
Spinach.
फिर आप ach बोलेंगे, spinach.
Spinach.
Yeah, that's the pronunciation. और too much नहीं बोलेंगे आप. जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि people don't know too much about कसौल. Too much की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ बोलेंगे people don't know much about कसौल.
Okay.
मतलब लोगों को कसौल के बारे में ज्यादा पता नहीं है. आप बोलेंगे people. That's right. आप सही कह रहे हैं. People don't know much about कसौल. Much about कसौल. That's what you will say. Okay.
Okay.
People don't know much about Kasol. That's what you should say. Okay. So thank you, Kirti. And I really like Kirti's enthusiasm. She is one of the most enthusiastic people I know. Now, oh, Aditya wants to speak on this topic. Sure, Aditya, I will definitely allow you. Yes, Aditya, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, my dream vacation is I want to go to Greenland.
All right.
Because I want to go to Greenland because ma'am, in Greenland, ma'am, they are there for 6 months. Their sun doesn't set, and for 6 months and for 6 months sun do not rise.
The sun doesn't rise.
The sun doesn't rise.
Okay.
And it is for 6 months only sun rise for 3 to 4 hours only.
Could you correct that sentence? For 6 months?
For 6 months, a sun rise only for 3 to 4 hours.
Sun rises
only for 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. So what will you do if you go there?
And I want to see that what would be it like to be when sun doesn't set, and what would be it like that if sun doesn't rises.
Oh, wow. That's fascinating, Aditya. And that's in Greenland. It happens in many other places, I guess, like in Netherlands and Norway, etc.
No.
No, only
But
in
I
Greenland? You would like to go to Greenland?
Yes.
Sure.
If anyone of this class wants to come with me, can come.
Yes, Aditya. Guys, do you want to go with Aditya? Please connect with him and he will sponsor your tickets. Will you sponsor tickets, Aditya? Will you buy tickets for us? Yeah, do buy tickets for us, Aditya, because you have to buy the return tickets so that we can go with you and come back. So that would be great. Definitely some people would like to experience. All right, guys. So that's all we can discuss today. There are some more topics, but I think we don't have time to go through those topics. However, yeah, talking about our class. If you get an opportunity to participate, please participate. Whenever you get an opportunity to practice, please practice. अगर आप सोचेंगे कि मैं तो रोज आपको नए नए टॉपिक्स पढ़ा दूंगी, लेकिन आप उन टॉपिक्स को कितना इंटरनलाइज करेंगे और कितना यूज करेंगे वो कंप्लीटली आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा। मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि इस क्लास में मैं आपको थियोरी पढ़ाने के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दूं, ताकि आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं उसको प्रैक्टिस कर पाएं। सो नाउ इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि आप यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट करें। आपको जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है उसको आप इस्तेमाल करें। कल मैंने आपको एक टास्क दिया था, आई हैड गिवन यू दैट असाइनमेंट, only Suraj did it, so I want to clap for Suraj. I want to clap for Suraj because Suraj did it. All of you have to do your assignments. Whatever assignment you do, please don't call them my assignment. Don't say कि मैं आपके assignment कर रहा हूँ, आप वो अपनी assignments कर रहे हैं for your own improvement. So please do those assignments. And if you have any questions, please ask. So that's all I have for you for today. कल जब हम मिलेंगे तो we will start a new topic. And we will possibly talk about prepositions tomorrow and the day after, and then we will talk about other things. And if you have any questions, you can stay with me and ask a question right now. If not, you can leave the session now and we will meet tomorrow. Okay. So Kirti, do you have a question?
Only one question, ma'am. Actually, I have on time in the morning, means around 7 to 8. So kindly upload as soon as possible. That's it.
Oh yes, yesterday's and today's sessions. I'll upload both the sessions.
Okay, no.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Kirti. All right, guys. So that's all. Please feel free to ask a question at any time. You can ask in the group. You can ask it to me on WhatsApp. You can ask me during the class. Please ask questions. So that's all for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.